Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hey, Emily. It is so good to be here today, especially because we have a very useful topic for our beginners.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today, Brian?
Today, we are learning how to talk about yesterday. We are going to learn how to speak about the past in English.
Oh, I love that topic. Talking about the past is something we do every single day.
Yeah, totally. When you talk to your friends or your coworkers, they always ask, "What did you do yesterday?"
Exactly. But, changing verbs into the past tense can be a little scary for English learners.
Oh yeah, it can be. There are regular verbs and irregular verbs, and it can feel very confusing.
Right, and if you are not sure, you might freeze up. Honestly, I still make small mistakes when I try to speak fast in a new language.
See? Even teachers understand. So today, we will make it super simple.
Perfect. Let's start from the very beginning with the most important question.
Good idea. If you want to ask someone about their past day, you say, "What did you do yesterday?"
What did you do yesterday? That is a perfect phrase. Let's repeat that for our beginners. What did you do yesterday?
Great. Now, to answer that question, we need to change our action words. Emily, what did you do first thing yesterday morning?
Well, normally I say I wake up, but for yesterday, I must say I woke up. I woke up at 7 o'clock.
I woke up. That is an irregular verb. Wake becomes woke. Excellent. What did you do next, Emily?
After I woke up, I got out of bed and I went to the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen. Get becomes got and go becomes went. Those are very common past tense verbs. What did you do in the kitchen?
I made a cup of coffee and I ate some toast.
Made and ate. You are on a roll, Emily. Make becomes made and eat becomes ate. What about you, Brian? What did you do yesterday morning?
Well, yesterday morning, I did not make coffee. I drank hot tea and I read a book.
Drank and read. Perfect. Drink becomes drank and read is spelled the same, but we pronounce it like the color red. I read a book.
That is a great tip for our listeners. It looks the same, but it sounds different. Hey, Brian, before we talk about what we did in the afternoon, I think we should talk to our listeners.
Oh, you are so right. Time flies when we are practicing our grammar. It really does.
If you are enjoying this episode, please click that like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to the Mr. English podcast so you never miss a lesson with us. Sharing this video with a friend who is learning English helps a lot too.
And we have a question for you today. What time did you wake up yesterday?
Oh, I want to see the answers. Let us know in the comments below.
Awesome. Now let's get straight back to our yesterday story.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. Emily, did you go to the office yesterday, or did you work from home?
Yesterday, I worked from home. I sat at my desk and I answered 40 emails.
Wow, 40 emails. That is a lot of work. Listeners, notice the word worked and answered. These are regular verbs. We just add ed to the end. Worked, answered.
Exactly. Regular verbs are much easier to remember. What about you, Brian? Did you work yesterday?
Yes, I worked too. But in the afternoon, I left the house and I went to the supermarket.
Ah, leave becomes left. What did you buy at the supermarket?
I bought some fresh vegetables and some chicken because I wanted to cook a nice dinner.
I bought and I wanted. Buy becomes bought, which is irregular, but want becomes wanted, which is regular.
Yes, it takes a little bit of practice to remember which is which. What should a student do if they cannot remember the past tense word?
Don't panic. If you make a mistake, people will still understand you. But practicing these phrases before you speak is a great idea.
It really is. And you know who can help you practice talking about your past day anytime? Mr. English AI.
Oh yes, our smart assistant is amazing for this. You can chat with Mr. English AI anytime to practice using past tense verbs. It helps you try different conversations so you can feel confident talking about your weekend or your yesterday.
The link is right in the video description, so check it out after the episode. Definitely, it is like having a teacher in your pocket.
Exactly. Now, let's finish our yesterday story. Brian, what did you do last night after dinner?
After dinner, I washed the dishes. Then, I relaxed on the sofa and I watched a very funny movie on TV.
Washed, relaxed, and watched. Those are all regular verbs. Washed, relaxed, watched. Sounds like a very nice evening.
It was. And what about you, Emily? What did you do before you went to bed?
I listened to some quiet music and then I went to sleep around 11 o'clock. I slept very well.
Listened, went, and slept. Sleep becomes slept. Wow, we covered so many past tense actions today.
We really did. Let's do a super quick review of the key past tense verbs we used today. Listen and repeat.